Hello my gorgeous little YouTubers, welcome to Your Finger My Ring, and today I'm going to do something a bit special for the Finns. This is a 50% silver 200 Markkaa coin, 1956. So this is 50% silver, or in Finnish hopea, which is Finnish for silver. So we're going to take it and turn it into a nice ring for somebody, hopefully. This is the penetrator. And he punches holes in coins. How's everybody doing? Good? First of all, if you haven't subscribed, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of this video. If you'd like to hit that, you're automatically subscribed. And if you hit the like button as well, I'd appreciate it. Because I could do with some more love. This is Big Bertha. She's a 20-ton hydraulic press, and she eats coins for breakfast. Okay, I'll have to keep this little bit because this is 50% silver. And we don't want to throw away bits of silver, do we? No, we don't. Okay, I'll slap it on the bottom. Who's a naughty boy then? God, this is a naughty boy. I don't know why it does this. Why does it do it? God. Would somebody please explain why this happens? God almighty. Lovely, eh? This doesn't want to come out. You naughty, naughty boy. Jesus wept. What is wrong with this? Yes. I don't know why it does that. It's a bugger. Right. Put the fan on, it's getting a bit warmer now. I've been making coins all day. Oh, the fan's not working. Lovely. Right. This is a deburring tool called Christy Burr. And he just cleans up that inside edge. Oh, the fan's just come on. I think it's had it. Like me, I think I've just about had it. If you're looking for a custom ring, look no further. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there are measured in EU size. But if you want that particular ring that's on show, I can adjust the size up or down for you. So you just want to make sure there's no cracks or splits forming. Otherwise that would cause the ring to split. Especially don't want this one to split because it's 50% silver, so it's a bit special. This would be a bit more than 28 euros because it's 50% silver. And hard to find these coins. This will probably be about €65, something like that. But it will be in my shop within a couple of days, hopefully. My girlfriend does all that for me. She's the clever one when it comes to computers. Right, we have to show this some love with Bernie the fire starter. I'm going to go crazy because this is 50% silver, so I don't want to trash the coin. That's good enough. As soon as you see that flame change colour, you know. I need to fill my cup up, it's nearly empty. I've been saying it for a few days now. But... Right. Excuse me. So, what side we're going to go for? Sunny side up. I think it's going to have to be this side. It's got the date on it. So this is going to go face down in the die. This is a 17-degree folding die. And you want to make sure it's nice and level. It saves you a big headache later on. Or as level as you can get it. Right, let's go over to Big Red. And this is a 1-ton arbor press. Okay, that's good. Right, back to the table. Let's break out Sandy. And we want to clean up the edge. I mean, it's pretty bloody clean now, it's really nice. But we'll give it a bit of a rub, make sure it's okay. There you go. Lovely. Right, now for Spike, our best friend in the tool department. This is a ring stretcher, and yep, you guessed it, he stretches your ring. So, there you go. You use the kitchen roll to protect the inside of the coin ring from losing its detail. If you didn't do this, you just have a smooth inside of the ring would be smooth. You'd lose all the detail. Get in there a little bit more. So if you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. You can also send me your own coins, or you can mail me and see what I've got. There you go. It's looking quite good. I just want to straighten up them walls in a minute. I'll give it another couple of pumps and Spike, and that will do it. Okay. So this is what we've got at the moment. And as you can see, we need to straighten the walls up a little bit. I think, yeah. We'll go over to the bottom end of Spike. And I'll use this 70-degree folding die to start with. This might be all you need. Just to make sure. How's that looking? Not bad. I'll check with my eye. Yeah, that's looking okay. Right. So now I need to cut out. Oh la la. Where you going, baby? Where you going? I need to cut out this inside lip. See that little raised bit all the way around? Just below them dots. You want to cut that out, otherwise it makes the ring uncomfortable and gives you a full size of the ring. So let's use jaws. There he is. This little gadget just saves my wrist from grabbing the coin. Yeah, Christmas is coming up, so these make great gifts for men and women. You got any questions or comments, you can leave them under the video, or you can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. That's good, that's totally gone. Excuse me. There's no lip there at all now. That hasn't cut out any of this side. Clever stuff, eh? Right, let's give it a bit of polish. Oh, lovely. Right. If you'd like to hit that like button, I really would appreciate it. I need all the help I can get. I'm just new at this game, and it helps with the algorithms. So if you like what you see, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. At least I know, you know, what people are thinking. You can leave a good comment, bad comment. I don't mind. I read them all and I answer them all. And after the video, my girlfriend gives these a thorough clean. Just look, my hands are still covered in oil and polish. So she goes through them, cleans them up even nicer. But you get the idea with me. Right. This is Felton John. He's just a felt pad. I didn't use Kate Bush on this because it's silver. It's pretty bright anyway, so there wasn't a lot of fire scale. Ouch. That's hot. Right. I've got some more clean cloth somewhere. I bought a load of them the other day. This should come up quite pretty. Right, what we got? what we got. Yeah, so don't forget this is 50% silver, 200 Markkaa coin ring. It'll probably be 65 euros, maybe 60. I don't know yet. I'll have to see how much I paid for this. I think it's quite a lot. There you go. That's where I use the kitchen roll on the inside of the coin. Otherwise you'd lose that all that detail. But this will clean up more. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a bit of luck. Tubby, bye bye.